Yes, guys, welcome to this video. I'm about to show you an absolute gem of a platform, something that I need to put on your radar, something absolutely huge. So, guys, let's jump straight in it. So, the Sandbox is a social gaming platform where you can play games, build worlds, and earn rewards. Guys, look at these are the big boys. When you talk about projects and you see they have 1 million followers and followed by some of the biggest people in the game, you have to pay attention. Look at all these people that are following them. All right. These guys are not playing. And their alpha season 6 pass is officially live. So step into 9 weeks of action featuring over 30 unique experience from world-class partners and creators from iconic franchises to community-made adventures. This season is packed with challenge, surprise, and rewards. So as you can see, guys, the Future Tech Game Jam is live. Build, innovate, and earn and share 150K of their Sand token, land, and catalyst, plus a chance to be featured in the next season. Guys, I can see some big things happening right now with the Sandbox. So make sure you guys head over to their Twitter, follow them. I know these guys are partnered up with some huge names in the industry. And like I said, they're not just a average game. These guys are a platform. So let's go over and let's take a look at their website, see what they got going on. So enter the sand pool. No doubt these are all the season 6 experiences that you guys can participate. Look, check this out. Wow. Customize your avatar, not play no game. Join the brands you love in the metaverse. So not only is this a gaming platform, you actually have a metaverse. So if you want to go and look at the metaverse, just jump onto Sandbox, the sandbox.game, sandbox.game, and you can jump in, check out the metaverse, customize your avatars, and yeah, then you would enter the metaverse. So also on my research, I have some notes here as well. So the Sandbox is a free-to-play gaming and social platform where people connect, create, and have fun. Users play, build, and monetize unique experience along with their favorite brands, IP, and celebrities. Anybody can be a creator with easy-to-use tools for designing words, voxel, assets, and games. Guys, they've got over 400 partners in the space, including Atari, Steve Aoki, right, and other big names in the industry. So, like I said, these guys ain't playing no games. Yes, guys. So hit the link in the description to purchase the new battle passes, and I will leave the links to all the Sandbox social medias, Twitter, and their website, so you guys can take a look. Till next time, peace.